Hello, welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course, week 15, Anthakaran, Ultimate Sports, Anthakaran, Ultimate Sports. Lesson 99. Today in this lesson, as first lesson of week 15, Anthakaran, we will first of all glimpse and imbibe the broad features of this formulation. This formulation in the context of human body is man, mind, buddhi, intelligence, chit, consciousness, and ahankar, ego. With respect to our existence phenomenon, with respect to the existence phenomenon within human frame as human body, phenomenon of human frame, human body, this takes us from the mundane body, sthul sharir, to suksham sharir, subtle body, ahead to a karan sharir, and still ahead to turiya. So this mundane body has a subtle body layer format. So it's a compactified existence. Human frame or human body is a compactified setup. Above is sthul, then is suksham, then is karan, and thereafter it is a turiya. Sthul is 20, suksham is 26, karan is 15, and turiya is 40. Means TC values. So we have to appreciate that when we will be from here to here, sthul to suksham, then the domain will be of from organs to senses, and then it will be the basis of senses. It is this stage, basis, base, this of the senses, which is called karan, a causal. Sadhkas fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with the Vedic knowledge regarding our own existence phenomenon has to understand how the sharir as sharir anga vyavastha or as sanghat as it is called a pind or sanghat, the collection of all these mundane bodies, then it is to reach the senses, the indriyas, this domain, the senses domain, and then we have to reach at the basis of this. This is called Antakaran. It is the ultimate sport. Now, let us update our TCV dictionary. Let us visit the formulation Antakaran. Let us make an entry in our TCV dictionary of Antakaran. This deserves to be approached firstly as Ant, then as Antaha, then as Karan, fourthly as Karana, and finally as Antahakaran. The word Ant, whose simple rendering is end, it is a composition as A, Na, Ta, and A. Translation is in numbers 1, 8, 4, and 1, 1, 9, 13, and 14. And we know that 14 is the summation value of 4 folds of 4 space. Therefore, this Ant will take us to the end is going to be H4. We are reaching hypercube 4 with 2 space as dimension, 3 space as boundary, 4 space as domain, and 5 space as origin. So it is 4 space which is the domain. So end is this. We know the word Adi. The Adi leads us to summation value 2, 6, and 2. Summation value is 2, 8, and 10. 10 is 1, 2, 3, and 4. It is hypercube 3. So beginning is to be at hypercube 3 and end is to be at hypercube 4. So this is beginning. We have to begin here and we have to end here. And here will be Madhya, a middle. And this middle stage Madhya is 19. It is Man and it is Indri. So we are at Antaha Ant. This Ant is going to be 4 space. So we begin with 3 and we reach up till this. In between is the stage. This is 19. Now, when we will have a formulation Antaha, then this will take us to TC value 14 plus 13. It is 27. Now, if we have 14 discrete points, then we will have 13 as gaps. So 14 plus 13 is 27. And 27 is equal to 3 raised to power 3. And These are the nakshatras. This is a constellation of stars. Constellation of stars. Now, once we will be appreciating this, then we will be making entry in the Sthapatya referencer that when we are within a 4 space, then within 4 space, 5 space is the transcendental origin and it is of a solid order. So 3 space is the dimension. And 3 space we know splits dimension into pair of 3-dimensional frames of half dimensions. And we know the synthesis of pair of 3-dimensional frames is a 5 space. Therefore, we are reaching here when we will be having solid dimensions. So it will be making 27 nakshatras, and there will be nakshatras of moon as well as of the sun. So we will be having 27 nakshatras of Chandrama and 27 nakshatras of Surya, the Saur nakshatra and Chandra nakshatra. This is going to be the reach here. So we see when we were at the formulation Antaha, it has taken us to this. Now a step ahead. Let us visit the formulation Karan. The Karan formulation, when it's translated, it takes us to Ka, A, Ra, A, Ana, and A. It is 1, 1, 3, 1, 7, and 1. It is 1, 2, 5, 6, 13, and 14. So see, like Antaha, 14 and 13, the Anthakaran as well will take us to 14 and 13. So the formulation Anthakaran is the formulation which is taking us to 27 and 27. So these are nakshatras, these are also nakshatras. We are having a pair of nakshatras. These are Chandra nakshatra and these are Surya nakshatra. This way, we see that the formulation Antahakaran is taking us to a format of hypercube 4 with 5 spaces origin. Here also we are reaching at hypercube 4 with 5 spaces dimension, and the transcendental giant here is again a 5 space. That is why a 3 space order, 3 space order, 3 space order, 3, 3 and 3, 3 raised to power 3, it becomes nakshatra. And we know that 3 space is having a split into a pair of 3-dimensional frames, and origin is taking us to a 4 space. So this that way takes us to 27 nakshatras of Chandra, 27 nakshatras of Surya. Now in between is this 4 space. Now